Okay, welcome kids to our English class online. I am teacher Airene. Today we will continue our lesson about English alphabet letter C. Okay, let's review our lesson last week. All right, big letter B, small letter B is for banana. Banana. Yeah, this is a banana. Okay. Next is the rhyme. Let's read the rhyme. A banana for you. A banana for me. A banana for monkey. Up in a tree. All right. Very good. Okay. Let's review our readings. Okay. Number one, a bag. A bag. A basket. A basket. A bee. A bee. A butterfly. A butterfly. Okay, so today we will study the letter C. Are you ready? Okay, big letter C. Small letter C is for car. Car. Okay, so this is a car. What is the color of the car? Yes, it's red and it has black, okay, tinted glass, okay? So, repeat, please. Big letter C, small letter C is for car. 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 Our reading for today, let's read, okay? What can you see? I can see a car. What can you see? I can see a jar. Okay. Again, please, let's do the action, okay? Number one, what can you see? Like this, okay? What can you see? Yeah. I can see a car. Yeah, driving. What can you see? And I can see a jar. Okay? So you can memorize by yourself. Okay, so now we'll have new words. Okay, number one, a cat. A cat. What is it? It's a cat. A carrot. A carrot. What is it? It is a carrot. Let's repeat. A cat. What is it? It's a cat. A carrot. What is it? It is a carrot. Let's have more words. A cake. A cake. What is it? It's a cake. A cucumber. What is it? It's a cucumber. All right. So let's repeat. A cake. What is it? It's a cake. A cucumber. What is it? It's a cucumber. Okay. So I'm going to give you the worksheet to do today in our group chat. I'll be sending the Google form, the worksheets, and also the video. So that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening and watching. See you again. Goodbye.